就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Pinnacle Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. Now, this whole month we're teaching you a phrase. It's 多少 how many or how much. 多少怎么说？
几多？
几多？过年时期啊，或者任何放假啦，
至少每个人都会胖个1-2公斤。
对啊 So let's put you into the scenario where you ate too much, especially after, let's say, Chinese New Year or any vacation. You really enjoyed yourself or you relaxed and really enjoyed great food. 过年吃太多，衣服快穿不下了。I ate too much over Chinese New Year and I can't fit in my clothes anymore.
過年食太多。
過年食太多。
三就會做唔落嚟。
就會做唔落嚟 OK 就會做就是快穿不下了落嚟
就會做唔落嚟唔落嚟就是
落嚟才是穿不下然後落嚟 that means I can't fit in it OK 你到底胖多少公斤啊 How many kilos or pounds did you gain?
唔皮幾多公斤啊？
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 哎呀，大概可能會3到5公斤，逃不掉哦。
那還好啦，我以為10公斤就。
哎呀，驚死人啊，不行啊！
就阿妹，哎呦
，no。然後呢，就真的別再說了，想到就傷心了哦，想到就鬱悶了哦。All right, let's stop talking about this because you know whenever we talk about this, I feel depressed or kind of bothered, right? All right, 別再說了，想到就傷心。
莫過講咧，
莫過講咧，
想到就傷心。
哎呀，想到就傷心嘛，哈哈哈哈。傷心就是傷心 ，that means I feel sad, you know. 啊，想到就傷心了。All right, let's review some of these phrases. 然后大家呢，真的是过年时期呢，还是适量的吃就好了哈，这样很开心了。
所以千万不要吃太多。
Yeah， 吃太多怎么说呢？Ate too much。
食太多。
食太多 that means ate too much, all right？ 然后穿不下怎么说呢 ？Can't fit anymore。
做唔落。
做唔落，不要都落里面那样子。
对呀，那个
对，落不进去啊，
而且呢也拉不起来啊。
对，然后呢，胖叫做
皮，
那干脆教一下瘦怎么说呢？
超
okay, 皮 that's to gain weight or I'm a little fat, and then 超 that means I'm skinny or I lost weight, right? 瘦了多少 All right, 那伤心 I'm sad.
伤心
All right, and it's all about the phrase 多少 how many or how much this month. 怎么说呢？
几多
and now you have it. That does it for today's Practical Hakka on ICRT.
是母胎嘎。
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.